Hello my dear students, welcome to your science class. As we are doing revision in our previous online class, we discussed the answers of the short questions of chapter number 10, Force, Work and Energy. Today we are going to revise chapter number 11, Air, Water and Weather from Unit 5, Natural Phenomena. Okay, and in today's video we will revise only half of this chapter. First, let us recall what we learned from the chapter. We learned about the sun and weather, air and water. On some days we feel hot and on some days we feel cold, right? So this feeling of hot and cold is because of the weather. Weather is what? It is the condition of air at a particular place and time, and it is not constant. It changes from day to day. And how the changes in weather are caused, let us know that. The sun and weather. Okay, first we are going to learn about the relation between the sun and weather. Yes, the sun is the main cause of changes in the weather. As we know that our earth moves on its axis, which is called rotation, right? And during rotation, the part of the earth that faces the sun has day and other part has night. Thus the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Yes, and we feel that mornings and evenings are cooler than noontime. Why? Because sun rays are slanting in mornings and evenings, but in the noontime the sun is overhead and sun rays fall directly on the earth. That's why we feel little bit more hot than mornings and evenings. And there is one more rotation involved in our earth, okay, which is revolution. Let us know that what is it. The earth also moves around the sun in its own orbit. Okay, this movement is called revolution. Yes, as in this picture it is clearly shown. Okay, and during revolution, the part of the earth facing the sun has longer and hotter days. Okay, and it has summer, right? And the part of the earth away from the sun has winter, as shown in this picture. Yes, thus revolution of the earth causes changes in seasons. Okay. Next, moving to the next part. The sun heats up the air, as we all know. Hot air is lighter and it rises up. The cool air rushes to take its place. Okay, this causes winds to blow. Thus, sun causes winds to blow, right? And sun heats up the water and changes into water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. The water vapor rises up and condenses to form droplets of water. Okay, and these tiny droplets join together to form clouds. Yes, and when the clouds become too heavy, fall as rain. Okay, and in this way sun changes states of water and causes humidity and rain. So up to here we got to learn that sun is the main cause. Okay, whether directly or indirectly, sun is the main cause of changes in weather. Right? Now let us know about air. Air is present all around us, right? Which is a mixture of gases, and along with different gases, air also contains water vapor, dust, smoke, germs, right? And there is a blanket of air surrounding the earth, which is called the atmosphere, right? And moving air is called wind, Okay, sun is the cause of wind. Gentle and pleasant wind is called breeze. Okay, then a strong wind is called gale. Fast and strong winds can cause storm, right? And wind also affects the weather of a place. Yes? Okay. Now let us know about land breeze and sea breeze, which occur in coastal areas. Yes. The difference in the heating up and cooling down of land and water gives rise to land breeze and sea breeze in coastal areas. Land breeze and sea breeze especially occurs, yes, in coastal areas, okay, as you all know. Okay, so what is sea breeze? During the day, lands heat up, yes, and hot air above the land, it rises up. Then cool air from water comes to the take place of hot air, okay, which is just above the land, right? Thus a wind blows, which is called sea breeze, right? Sea breeze means the wind that blows from sea to the land is called sea breeze. Yes, and at night land cools faster than seawater, okay? Then the air above the seawater, it is warmer than the air above the land, so that warm air rises up and the cool air from the land rushes towards the sea, okay, and thus a wind blows from land to sea, which is called land breeze. Okay, and with this we are going to conclude today's class. Today we have revised half part of chapter 11. In our next class we will revise the remaining part. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.